MyVenue is a software as a service company that supplies point of sale systems to the stadium and arena market. So we do the Miami Grand Prix, NFL stadiums, Major League Baseball, Minor League Baseball, zoos, aquariums, where food and beverage and merchandise is provided or sold, we have a solution. When we started off, we were a relatively small organisation. We knew we wanted to do SaaS, but what we realised was how much we actually didn't know. So finding the right partner was super important.
The biggest value ThoughtWorks provides as a SaaS competency partner for our customers is just to make sure they don't head down the wrong direction. You need to get it right from the beginning so that you can make sure that you can just clear that path to success. So MyVenue really needed to meet the demands of millions of sports fans all hitting the counter at once. AWS was the right choice because of their ability to scale up and scale down infrastructure instantly to be able to meet the demand. To be honest with you, I'm not sure how they could have done it any other way without leveraging AWS.
Something as simple and as complex as rolling out a new version of your product can be quite a manual, time-consuming process and a risky process with AWS. We're able to do that from a central point. We're able to do that securely. We're able to do that quickly. That's super important for all of our customers that are knowing that their data is protected and safe.
MyVenue has been able to manage their environment, deploy, and meet their security and compliance globally, and they've grown incredibly fast. And they've been able to do that because of the way they're architected on AWS.
Earlier this year, we were able to do the Super Bowl, and you certainly don't get to that position without proving yourself in the market that you can scale up and that you've got a reliable product. So the first thing you need is a good platform partner, and ThoughtWorks, they've done a great job.
We're really excited to be able to support that continued global growth and also to help them continue to disrupt the market. It's going to be a long-term partnership, and we're really excited about it.